Focused. Jameskor. Finishing off the case of Anthology. Good luck, sir. I'll save fat packs. Heart Contenders of Eric Stahl to $9.99. David Backus. Love that set. Lords of the NHL. Jersey. David Backus. Inscriptions, eh? Ryan Garbutt. Elite Rookie to $9.99. Fat pack. Ooh, nice. Love this parallel. Status Rookie. Lane McDermott to 100. Status Rookie. The better looking of the two. No Krugs. Dang it. Oh, base pack. What's it going to be? Tyson Berry to $9.99. Elite Rookie. And Alfie. Daniel Alfredson. Game worn gear. Another fatty. Sean Couturier, Cup Contenders to $9.99. Jamie Benn, Game Worn Gear. Alright, here we go. Let's do Prism first. Ooh, we got some color in here. Sidney Crosby base. Robert Meyer. Here, let me check. I'll check on the bin. Robert Meyer, rookie. And Gabriel Dumont, Prism Rookie Red, numbered 46 of 50. Very nice. There's a good one. Numbered to $6.99. He's better. He shouldn't be $6.99, honestly. Jason Zucker. I think he's better than a $6.99, but whatever. And finishing off the case, Henrik Zetterberg, The Great Outdoors, to 500. This is Jameskor. Number 33 of 99. Riley Sheehan Rookie Silhouette. That's a good looking one too. Clean autograph. Riley Sheehan Rookie Silhouette to 99. Jameskor, there you have it.